Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shipping address to your Vinted account on the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our suggestions. From here we have to go into the profile menu, where it opens up like this, here. Now we scroll down to the bottom, tap on settings, and then on postage. And here at the top we find my address. We can tap on the line under it, and here we can add our address, so it will be easier to order things from the site and have them delivered to us. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.